Trouble mounts for IAS officer Pooja Khedkar, who hit headlines for her high-handedness, misuse of power, faking caste and disability certificates as well. Now the centre has formed a single-member panel to probe the matter. The one-member committee will submit its report in 2 weeks. Meanwhile, the Pune police has also launched an investigation as to how exactly the IAS Babu was allowed to use a lal batti on her private Audi. There's also a 26,000 rupee fine pending on her vehicle. Meanwhile, cops have claimed that when they reached Khedkar's residence, no one opened the door.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या एग्जैक्टली डिटेल्स है? आप नोटिस देने के लिए आए थे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं टिकटेक कर रहे हैं आप सब एक टिकटेक होने दे। अरे मेरे लाइव नहीं कि
जो गाड़ी हमको वहाँ पे मिली है, जो गाड़ी अंदर रखी हुई है, जिसके ऊपर अंबर दीवा लगा हुआ और महाराष्ट्र लिखा हुआ है, जो बिना परमिशन गवर्नमेंट के बिना परमिशन लिखा हुआ है, उसके ऊपर मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के तहत जो कानूनी कार्रवाई वो हम करने वाले हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे आए हैं। लेकिन अभी गाड़ी वहाँ पे, लेकिन घर वाले या कोई वहाँ पे मिला नहीं है। जैसे ही गाड़ी हमको मिलेगी तो हमने वो गाड़ी ऑफिस में, हमारे चतुर सिंह वातुक विभाग ऑफिस में लेकर आने के लिए उनको नोटिस बजाया है।
Remember, the 2022 batch IAS officer, who belongs to a wealthy bureaucrat family with declared assets of 40 crore rupees, used benefits of the non-creamy OBC category. She's also been accused of using forged medical certificates, claiming mental illness and impaired vision to use the disability quota benefits in the UPSC. Now, to get us more, crossing over to my colleague who's joining us, Shrishti joins us. She's joining us from Mumbai. Shrishti, tell us more about how all of this exactly unfolded.
Well, of course, right now where we are present is in Pune, outside Pooja Khedkar's residence, and you can see in the visuals, this is the plush bungalow of the entire family here in a plush area of Bane. Now, her father declared 40 crores of assets. How they come under criminal category of OBC, that is a question. How they have opted and how that was accepted, that is a big question. Are there any loopholes? That needs to be investigated. Another thing, this particular person, Pooja Khedkar, she went ahead for the medical reservation, wherein she mentioned that she has mental issues as well as visionary issues, and that's why she wanted reservations under that category. However, what comes across is that when she was asked to do a medical examination, she refused to it. She postponed it for 5 times, 6 times she appeared, but the medical examination was not completed. However, when she was asked to do a MRI, as she was needed to be checked for the visionary issues, she said that I am suffering from claustrophobia, I won't be able to do. That kind of reasoning she gave. However, when this was taken in Tribunal Court refused the entire petition which was filed by the applicant Pooja Khedkar. Also mentioned the fact that if any candidate has not completed the medical examination, then they are liable for the cancellation of candidature, of any candidate. But still, she got posting in Pune, and this is very shocking. You know, whenever a IS officer gets posted, it is very difficult for any IS officer or any UPSC level officer to get home posting. However, she got home posting in the first place itself. Of course, there are certain loopholes. Now, to investigate the entire matter, the central government has issued guidelines. Central government has set up a committee of single bench member of additional secretary rank level officer. He will be investigating the entire matter. However, this whole matter came into light when she was throwing tantrums at the officers in the collector's office. She wanted a cabin for herself, she wanted a car, she wanted perks which are given to the higher level officers. However, importantly, she has put the beacon on the Audi car which she has in a private capacity, and that is not allowed. She also put Maharashtra government board, and that is also not allowed, and that all things went against her, and now She has been transferred to Washim and a probe is initiated against her. A single bench committee will be investigating the entire matter in this regards.
Shrishti, beyond this, when it comes to the probe, now, when it comes to the agency side that is probing this, do we know how many friends and relatives of Pooja Ketkar are being interviewed and quizzed about this entire scenario?
Well, of course, it's not mostly about her friends or relatives. It's mostly about the documents she has presented. As there are certain loopholes that how can she opt for a non-criminal OBC certificate? How can she go ahead with the posting without medical examination? Those all things will be investigated by the single bench committee which is formed by the central government.